Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series. And today again there is geography MCQs. So let us start now with today's MCQs. So which of the following landforms is formed by the action of glaciers? Your options are butte, peneplain, moraine, karst. So now let us see the answer. Answer is moraines. They are formed when glacial deposits, they deposit materials when they have eroded during their movement, right? So these are moraines are formed due to the action of the glaciers. Now the second question: which city is known as the Manchester of South India due to its prominent textile industry? Options are Kanchipuram, Coimbatore, Pochampalli, Tirupur. Right. Now let us see the answer. Answer is Coimbatore. It is located in Tamil Nadu and it is known for its thriving textile, industry. Let us now see the, third MCQ. The Windward coast refers to the coastal region which, your options are, receives heavy rainfall due to orographic effect. B. Experience strong wind patterns due to Coriolis effect. C. Faces the direct opposite to the direction opposite to the prevailing winds. Lies on the southeastern side of lies on the eastern side of a continent in the northern hemisphere. Right. So now let us see the answer. So the windward coast, it experiences heavy rainfall as the moist air is forced to rise over a mountainous region, and this results in orographic precipitation. Now the fourth MCQ: which of the following factors influences the formation of Fata Morgana? Okay, so now it is a very specific question. So now let us see the options. So Earth's magnetic field, B. Volcanic activity, C. Refraction of light, and D. Tectonic plate movement. Answer is C. So the Fata Morgana is a complex mirage phenomena caused by the refraction of light in the Earth's atmosphere. Now the final MCQ, the term Inselberg refers to. Options are a landform characterized by a steep-sided isolated hill or mountain, a shallow sandy depression formed by wind erosion. C. A large flat area of fertile soil surrounded by hills or mountains. D. A narrow winding river channel formed by glacial activity. Let us see the answer of the final MCQ. So Inselbergs are prominent and isolated rocks which outcrops or hills that these are the rock outcrops or hills that rise abruptly from a surrounding plain. Now with this we have completed today's MCQs, and let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet next week, and every day we are bringing new MCQs, and hope you guys are studying really well.